Celebrations all round at the Norsk Titanium stand here at Farnborough 2016 as they officially sign and toast a long-term agreement with Mechachrome to deliver Norsk patented Rapid Plasma Deposition aerospace-grade additive manufactured structural titanium components to the current Mechachrome aerospace OEM and Tier 1 suppliers.
Mechachrome is a Tier 1 supplier to aircraft OEMs like Airbus. They can incorporate this technology into their process and complete the downstream operations and bring significant value to their customers. So that is a supply chain solution that benefits a customer like Airbus.
Additionally, Norsk Titanium and the Plattsburgh, New York Chamber of Commerce have commemorated Norsk's planned $1 billion 10-year project in the state of New York, which includes the development at the facility in Plattsburgh, New York.
New York is going to invest $125 million into Norsk Titanium. They're going to create what I would try to objectively say is the world's largest industrial-scale metal 3D printing facility in Plattsburgh, New York.
It's deals like these that make Farnborough International Airshow important for the aerospace industry.
The world comes together every 2 years at Farnborough, right? So all our suppliers, all of our partners, and all of our customers are here. So a very, very significant air show.
If you're at Farnborough Airshow 2016, make sure you head over to the Norsk Titanium stand.
Well, Hall 4, booth A114. You can see the demonstration of the technology. You can see the end product of the technology. You can understand what a game changer this is.
For more information about Norsk Titanium and their products, visit their website at www.norsktitanium.com or find out more at Farnborough 2016.